Hello friends, welcome to my channel ShubhYouber. Today we are going to learn 10 lines about Raksha Bandhan Day. Let us start. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is the festival of love and brotherhood. Sister tie scared threats to the wrist of their brothers, thereby reminding them of their great responsibility. The word Raksha Bandhan has a very significant meaning. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. It is the celebration of a just bond of love and protection between a brother and sister. In the historical stories, Rani Karnavati of Mewar sent Rakhi to the Mughal Emperor Humayun, beseeching him for help from Sultan Bahadur Shah. Humayun accepted the request and he helped her out of the crisis. The last Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar ordered that Raksha Bandhan should be celebrated with pomp and show. The festival of Raksha Bandhan symbolizes the ideal of universal brotherhood and also immortalizes the Indian culture. Raksha Bandhan comes in the month of August as per the Hindu calendar. It is celebrated on a full moon day. The sisters buy Rakhis and tie them around the wrists of their brothers, along with roli and rice on their foreheads. They wish for the prosperity and long life of their brothers, and in return, brothers take a vow to protect their sister and assure them guard during any crisis. आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। हम फिर मिलेंगे एक और नई वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।